We have Fantom symbol FTM versus the dollar being requested by Clenbra, our very healthy horse-induced, well, pill user. Yeah, there we go. In at 41 cents, sold 90 my position at 151. Nicely done. Okay. Never can go broke taking profits, right? Made enough gains so I can get on the same cycle as Chessbra. Nice. Trent and Clen, baby. There you go. I'm very happy for you. Take all those fucking horse drugs. They're really, really good for your heart. Just kidding. This is not drug advice. I'm not a medical expert. I am also not a real doctor. Anyways, Professor. Anyways, look, this thing did have its nice consolidation between the 272 and the 414 on the break of the prior all-time high. I do look at this one as trend in motion on the daily, and while you will see pullbacks on the short-term time frames, ebbs and flows, ultimately I would be looking for this one to reach up towards 275 and maybe long-term around end of year, probably $4 or so, assuming that this does continue. Weekly did close on the all-time highs, never bearish when I see a signature like that, and weekly RSI tells the story right here. At some point, you very likely will make some bearish divergence, but for right now, there is nothing resembling a local high at all whatsoever, and we do still see that weekly jewels going alongside weekly BBWP, which is incredibly high as well. Now, it's not too useful on a weekly like this. Maybe we go to a daily. Yeah, the daily is going to get this one rather well. I would be cognizant of very likely a short-term or medium-term top, when BBWP starts to approach 100 percentile, especially if it stays there for like a day or two, and then play out like a short to medium term time frame pullback, of which we can look at the 4 hour right here. And this is, for what it's worth right now, just continuation. Yes, it's very, very hot on our volatility indicators as well, but I would be looking for very likely new all-time highs first before a pullback. In this case, probably somewhere around $2, which is kind of fucking crazy. 4 hour playing out a bit of hidden bullish evidence right there as well. It's still looking pretty damn good, to be fair. And let's go check it out on momentum oscillators here too. Or actually, no, this would be a good one to look at on this chart, in fact. We're going to pull it up over here and see where those Trollinger bands are coming in around. Yeah, this one's been trending above the top side Trollinger band for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, working on 9 days today. And that will be confirmed as soon as 8 p.m. Eastern time tonight with any sort of a closure above 142. So as long as that condition is met, I do look for this one to continue on with the general rally towards those, $2 targets, I suppose. Sounds kind of fucking crazy right now. There will, like I said, be ebbs and flows on the short-term time frames, but for right now, this is very, very good. And if there's one thing that I know about price discovery rallies, is it's very unwise to be picking and choosing the next high until it actually happens. So it is getting pretty damn hot here, but I do expect it's got some new highs to go first. And where would I invalidate these ideas? But this one's actually quite simple, but the problem is that the ranges are humongous here when you have a parabolic rally, and that would be about $1.20. Below $1.20, you got some problems. Until then, I would just look at most things as higher lows, especially as low as a 4 hour time frame on this one. So looking pretty damn good for continuation, but be aware that a short-term top very likely does get put in relatively soon, and hopefully that was helpful right there.